I saw you love shop. I saw you love sleep in a shop. I saw you love nano water for wash your pussy. How will you say me I repeat back? How will you blast me I repeat back? Eh? He make me come here, he daughter make me broke me black. I'm going back to jail then. Me and you bring down TikTok police, you thing alright. Every blood clot thing alright. I don't want nobody say me the request to come in the box. Me like chattings. Me like chattings. We don't know no more about my blood clot. Me want back my black. I need back my black. The 1,000, I don't know where. Please go tell that woman and say me want my black, you know. Me want back my black. I don't share it live. Any of me can't get back my one black. Somebody calculate and tell me how much you want black. Any of me not get back money for buy my blood clot black. Justice me black. Me want back my black. I mean I broke no more black over your phone again. Cause na crosses. Una grass mite. Una dirty kind of girl. Me want back me black. Grass mite, me want back me black. I come here and make a broke black for you. Deliver you out a problem, you take up yourself, going back in a problem. And when you come back and me tell you, say, don't ball, what day you come back and ball, and I say, don't ball. No, me don't ball. You know this or that, you know this, and you still a ball. Eh? And some man shot on you. Eh? And some man shot on you. Eh? No fun ups like your ugly picture where you have by your son. When you warm, so you warm your fuck. But in a rainy nation, if you name ugly warm nation, I say if you name excuse. Excuse, I know your time now. Excuse. Justice to me black. Your excuse for ya. I know for your time now. Somebody really business who want to go back to who, you know. But me just defend my black. Because I know say I saw Yamit a long time. Yamit that's something where you can't change. And when Yamit that dead in one situation, Yamit still go back in that blood clot there. And when Yamit that dead in one situation, Yamit still going back in that situation. So me know how Yamit steered. So I never really have but me need back my bomb buckler black. I need back my black. I'm want my black. I'm a black me a defend. I'm a black me a defend. Justice to me black. Me want back me black. Want back the black. And I know prank. And I know prank. I Jaden counsel them and get in their mind and manipulate them. I make them talk back. I make Annie come back. I don't know prank. I don't know ras prank. I tell it's not no prank. Jaden convince them for them back. What a wicked people, man. Want black. Want but my blood clot black. Woman. So you say a 500 I really get it. Send me money because give me pen paper when me give my black. Me want but my black. Me need it back. Me want it back. You think I mash up my black stuff in nothing? That one less black for me also me a build up. Me want my black and please don't tell me about my blood clot black. Me want it back. Me need me black. You wicked woman. Oh, kind of blood clot woman. I want you to hey, I want to come back. Anytime you come back over here, we don't fuck pray. Watch me out now. Anytime you come back over here, you have to give back my black. You have to give back my black. All you miss a tickle like a mika, pussy clock looking Jaden. More my black. You feel I say, tickle my tickle. More my blood clot black. I'm what me advise them to. Can me get so good advice, you don't take me advice them. Somebody come in my life, say everything I go through 1 year and jack back on it. I say, you short of love, auntie. Oh God. Auntie, I saw you really short of love. I saw you short of love, auntie. I mean if you born me, and me broke up my blood clot black, you know how far that black they could have go? Eh? You know how far that black they could have go? And the woman block up a blood clot black for nothing. All the one Mika. I want to thump you across the forehead, you Mika. And I want to give you only cross your back to your next one. I want my black man. I want it back. I have to get back my black. When you don't see him go other day down a place. When you don't see him go other day down a place, like your closing offer. You know well say your closing offer. Change your clothes. I change your clothes in the gopher. I'm a black, I'm different all what go on, you know. Because I'm not really busy with them, you know. I'm a black, I'm different one. I'm a blood clot black. I'm in a top company to make it back my black. Every day, I 40 days of fat, I have to get my black. I want back my black. I want back my black. Oh. We'll take people with blood clot full over here. I want back my black. I need back my black. And my black good and me I take up here and broke if it broke no curse. And it be on the science where them work pound. Because I don't see the science I work pound and I see. And I take up my black and broke it. Put me black in a gap through no. And broke me black. And I broke me black in vain. Me need back me black. You know tell them say I'm black, you know. I want it back. Justice for me black. Justice for my black. I need it back. All dirty kind of people, dirty kind of family. Me want back my black. No come over here, we don't know. When another one and another. When another one and another. One says one piece of family there, so piece over this, a piece over this. So no one can call gang up over. No gang up over here, bomb buckler. We don't go find somewhere else gang up. We don't gang up over here, we don't know no problem. Me want it back. I think so over?
No.
Me want it back. Me want it back. You call man make him when there. Me want it back. What you mean if it broke? It broke, it shattered. It shattered. I mean, I want nobody buying a black for me. I dare my black back black. I have send the money come buy black. I'm a lord. I'm not alone. Born in a pool, looking all rank. Born in a pool, but one big family. One big set of grass might not be. But in a pool. They're supposed to put that pool water in the pool especially. And when you come out, they take you out and dash because that pool water, they salt your fuck. One whole pool of salt. You see a salt to not swim in. Salt to know. A salt to not swim in. The whole of that blood clot, is salt. The whole of the pool and the water in there, a salt in that. One whole water of salt. I mean, pool people no better change the water there. I tell you no. Oh. Boy, you in a all in one two-piece setting looking like. And you over there, so. Mr. Ball at time where you come by your ball like I think nobody's sorry for you. And you over there, so Mr. Redskin Batty man. You over there, so boy, you're one family. You know, salt. You know, it's a team salt. Team Grasmite. Oh, that will not be. Team Grasmite and Team Salt. And Team no fucking sense. Team Yamed. Team Fufu Woman. Team Shop. Team Flimstone. Team Mr. Love Ball. You know, dirty kind of boy and dirty kind of girl, you know. Maybe if in the day, like, he don't make no blood class sense, you know. He might be the biggest idiot I see on internet for this longest while, you know. The biggest fool boy I see on internet for this longest while. The biggest blood clot idiot I see on internet for this longest while. The 2.3K over here, man. Begging, please tell the drunk with them say more about me black. Miss Annie, Miss Mika, Miss Jaden, Miss TikTok police, all ladies, me need back me black missuses. Me need them drink up look rum look more. Can you take a part one this? Me want back me black. You know, Papi show a blood clot, you know, shame me, man. I never shame so yet. When me lay down, I see all of the screen record them and the live them come in and me watch it live. Bling and don't hate. Celebrate. Celebrate a shop. Eh? Eh? Celebrate a shop. And you come back and say, celebrate the one beard and can't beard. Me want back me black. I need back me black. Me want back me black. You shame me. You embarrassed me. I never know you would have done that. And I look at you and I say, hey, you make sure you don't go back, you know. And you say, me, I would never go back. And you make Buttercup come here. That's a Jaden, Buttercup. You make Buttercup come blood clot. Go in your soul. Buttercup, go in your soul. And tell you, say, all right, you want to know. You know, me see Buttercup come from my life and I tell me about, bro, you can't talk over man, you can't talk about. I mean, I said, no Buttercup. No Buttercup. Enough to talk over Buttercup. He boy, if you go and Buttercup said, no man, bro, you can't talk over man. And me decide say not talk over and the woman listen to me, you know. And Buttercup go behind me back, you know, youth. Buttercup go behind me back, you know, bro. And reason we blast some of the idiot them, you know. I make idiot them come back with about man that come for me in the youth. After me they have vent for you woman in the youth. I go think say me bad see when I not care in the youth. Come back and say then shame me in the youth. Feel a way in the youth. Feel a way in the youth. You want to see old idiot Mr. Pearl in a SpongeBob she they don't care about them. That's how they land on him. Take up himself and we have blood clot, woy. Come at Kingston. Fico Rescue because I'm named Team Rescue, you know, Paw Patrol. I'm named Paw Patrol, I'm named Team Blood Clot Rescue. Take up himself, come, we up as a go rescue. And then, boy, I tell you to bumbuckle, yo, on a wicked so man. On a wicked so you. On a wicked so. On a two bumbuckle wicked man. One back me black. That's all me I telling you, bro. Mama me black, bro. Give me back my black, brother. Give me back my black. Give me back my black, bad man. Cause brother, me not deserve this Annie. Me not deserve this girl. Me think it have more sense than blood clot this. Me think God no, me think it have more sense than this girl. You shame me, man. You shame me as a Gemini, but you're born June bomb buckler foot. I want to find something leak down our blood clot, you see, man. Boy, you're born June 4th. You better change your date of birth up at GBG, RBG, RBD, where the bomb buckler place for name, a registrar place, RDG. You better change your birth paper for IGD now, girl. And move off of my month, you know. Come off of my month. Can I eat that born in June? Go over in October. I'll be eat that born up there. And July. April. And February. Go up there, so. And lift up off of this blood clot month here. And don't pressure my month. Don't pressure my month. What you pressure my month for? Don't pressure my month, man. Now play no match and my sweetie.
Okay.
Don't pressure me month, man. Bumbuck lad. Eh? Lift up off of me month. Can I eat that born in June? You come on the internet. You came here, you vent. I was in my bathroom. Having a shower. And I cut the shower short. I didn't even get the chance to finish wash my balls. And I came on my veranda, you talking to me. I say, all right, make me sit down. And me sit down, naked on the veranda and I source a towel. And you open up to me, youth. And me acknowledge what you said. Me give you comforting words. Me give you words of advice. Me do every little thing, bro. Eh? Me broke me black for your daughter if it broke her out I spell. He work overnight and by boom, 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 and you going back to the same blood clot life. Justice I need. I need back my black. You're a mascot of TikTok. You're a man Charlie pushing around on TikTok. You're an idiot. You're an stupid. You have no sense. And you sit down and you talk to me, and I look at you and I say, don't ball. You say now ball, and by the next morning you there balling. Eh? Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this. Eh? Are you an ass? Eh? Are you an idiot? Eh? Love blind you so quick. Eh? Where the bumbuckler to them people, man? Eh? You come over here, you bring down the man shop. You bring down the man house. You bring down the man car. You bring down the man pipe water when you have. And look at you now, Miss Diddle Diddle, running back to the middle. Eh? Miss Diddle Diddle, running back to the middle. Eh? Eh? I'll gotta pull you out a hard life. I make look like a shine. Here you go back down in the dungeon. I wanna go on with over here. I run a bin. Clown me clown your back. Eh? Me nah left my girl, me nah left my man partner, I'm not sure. Eh? You say the man thing can't turn up. All kind of thing. I wanna look cloud. Hey, me come over here, I help you vent and I cuss the boy. I go to me bad and I can't cuss again. Rome. I go to me bad and I can't cuss again, I'm in a business, bro. You understand me, bro? I shame your fuck, guys. I saw me sit down and watch back over his name. I say, Bumbo Rascal, what is this? What is really this? What is really this? I stood down and I say, what is really this? I'm gonna tell you. One thing me know doing, bro. If me not get back my black in the massa, every day me there with you, I want my blood clot black. Oh, keep me away, don't me not. I want it back. Oh, want back my black. Embarrass me, man. I never know say that embarrass me. So God no girl. I think they have more sense. Come here, reason, man. Look at me a reason. I'll tell me, miss. I see him there, me for forward up, you know. In a bands. I never get forward up to the following day, but I saw come and miss a day, you know, you. Yeah. Because I sit down there, but man, I reason with this wicked old man, you know, you.
And you fuck up.
Fuck up big time.
I have like no say that, you know.
I make everything, I make my reason, I make my black. I make my sorry for. I want back my words of encouragement then. I want back my words of encouragement. I want back my black. And I want back my care. And I want back my goodness them when I give you. I want it all back, you know, darling. Miss Annie, let me tell you something. I want back every bumbuckler thing, a matter of fact. Miss Annie, I want back everything, miss. Please and thank you. And don't let me and you have nothing over here, you know, darling. Don't let me have nothing over here. I need it back. You make me miss my flight to Kingston. I need that back too. Me want it. And I'm going to take you to fucking court. I am going to take you to court. And if I don't take you to court, if I don't sue you, bumbleclad, there's no God. And I know there's a God. I am going to me want back everything. I'm going to sue you. I full out the paperwork and I send it go by court and I need it back. I'm traumatized by your story. I couldn't sleep much night. I can't sleep. I think if you're alright, I wonder if you're good. And this really called do me wicked, man. Huh? When they are jogging in the mug, me take you up and wash off and clean you off. And this will come called do me wicked, man. Emotional distress, man. I'm going to sue you. I bet say around with me so again. Eh? Bet say around with me so again. Me not left her to no God, you know. Me not left her to God because she disappointed God too. She disappointed God too. Come and raise with the little girl to with daughter. I'm say, little girl, I teach you something. I'm show her life. Well, less than 24 hours. You have to make a breeze off 1, 2, 3 days, so you don't know here. Here comes Miss Man Ding Dong running back from Oucheriah, St. Anne's, where she lived. Coming back to Papine. Meeting up with the old car again. Meeting up with the shop. Meeting up with the no water. Oh, she can't do without the man. She loved the man. The man is her light and her salvation. Idiot, man. What's wrong with you? I mean, you feel say, hey, hello, come here. You think a young guy I get? Remember you go up in an age. Look from this, your pum pum not got no feelings. When the penis go in there, you not gonna know say in there, you not no feelings. The walls, them are go dead. What wrong with you? When the bumper you come up with for, I stress me out and make me stress out with you. And I cuss the boy for nothing. You make me cuss the boy for nothing. Y'all come back over here call ball a blood clot again, you know. You are gonna come back over here call ball again and me go there for you again. You are gonna come back over here call ball again, Miss Annie. And me go there for you again, Miss Annie. Miss Nice Annie in your bath suit in the pool. Me go over here for you when you come back because you're going to come again. And I will be here waiting so nicely on you. You understand me? Strawberry thanks. Thank you, Strawberry. Chat to no follow Strawberry anyway. Don't get her follow. Me I go over here. And remember, you go cry again and I go there miss. Don't worry yourself, darling. Me I hold up a napkin here for you. I have hold up a napkin here for you, darling. And I'm going to fold it up for you, darling. And I'm going to wipe your eyes for you. Chat, follow more. We just send that there while I go chat. Anybody don't say no follow them. Follow you, Nathan. I'm going to fold it for you. I'm going to wipe your eyes there for you, darling. And when you stop crying, I'm going to see no more yai water, darling. I'm going to give you 1 box across your bumper clot. And as long as you live, you will never have a chance to cry again. As long as you live, you don't have no chance to cry again. Because I see what you make out of. Yeah, some people will make out of richness, poorness. But you definitely make out of salt. I want to change your family from Ants family to Salt family. It's like we are a proud family. You don't even need to call themselves the Salt family. Where salt meets salt. Salt on top of salt. Salt meets salt. Yes. May I tell you? Allah wife, I'm going to tell her about it. I tell her that about the story. Allah wife. They come like it's something with them Norton. The salt company with them Norton. Norton. Something like that. I'm not too wicked, I'm black, I'm back everything I'm going. I'm back everything. I tell her, say, don't ball. They say, no, I'm not ball. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. I'm not ball. See here, I'm not ball. I'm not ball. You don't deserve it. I'm not ball. But yesterday over here crying. Crying away your tears. Crying away your heart. Yeah? You just a cry so. You just a blood clot cry so. Not a sweat. A ball, my ball, and I tell my boy, not ball. Not a sweat. We don't know sweat. Sweat around out of your blood clot, yai. I saw you talented. If sweat around out of your yai. How you so skilled? If sweat around out of your yai. Eh? At first, me, you know, for there, so. You have go to Neptune and them place there. Because you're alien. If you make, sweat around out of your yai. It's a wicked rascal. Wicked rascal, you. You're wicked. You're wicked, you. You're wicked, you. Huh? You're too wicked, man. You're too fucking wicked. You're Delilah the second, you. You cut Jesus' slippers. You cut Samson's ear. You kiss Jesus on his forehead. You're a betrayer. You sell we out, man. You sell we out bad. See, you know? You swim out last night and you swim out and you fuck out, you can't wake. Jaden, I had a blood clot, dirty. Tell him something if he had me. Tell him something if he blood clot had me. Tell it Saddamite something if he had me. Tell it drunk or something if he had me. Tell him something if he had me. But come out of family. You have no blood clot family over there, so. You left your blood clot family name. You left one family, two family, three family, and you want to go fuck up this family, yeah? You is a family wrecker. You is a family wrecker. Why you not wrecker when a blood clot make yet? Why you not wrecker when a make yet? Why you not make a one? Why you not reckon one make yet? Tell him if you had me. Tell him if you had me now. Sam, how much time you have coming that the bitch? Eh? You're a home wrecker. You're a home fucking wrecker. You're a home wrecker. How much family you want to wreck? You come over here to go wreck family, you wreck family go, you wreck family go. You wreck family come. You can't even control for your little family where you did have. But you want to come control different people blood clot family or so. And I saw you go. And I saw you go. What make you find him chat? When am I to play a match? A match him a play chat. So why me can't find him? Him saying so why they match up people business. Me and him bumbo clot over here. Your home wrecker you. Your home blood clot wrecker you. If you woman shame me, the woman shame me, bro. How you mean? A woman record that can't chat me. Every family that man going, I get fucked. Hide no family. Hide no family over here. Don't hide no ass family. Hide uno family, take uno family and hide them. Anyhow, no give him a little piece of the family. He fuck it up. Hide uno family. Can't say me no want to know. Yeah, some people when they see them a road. When they see them a road. When they are there shit, they see them come and sit down on your shit. It's when you have your family, you see that I come here to run with your family. If you don't run with your family member, you just get fucked. The good distant family where did I go on? Hide on a family. If you hide on a family, you're in trouble. Then we wreck your family and fuck it up. I'm just want you my black going on. Cause from me get my black, me done with them, you know. If me not get my black, me not done with them, you know. 25 hours a day me there. For sure, you know. Me have to get back my blood clot black. From me get my black, me not really business with nothing else. Me just want back my black. My black, me want back. Me broke my black for nothing. Like me an idiot. Me want my blood clot black. Crosses, grass, my family. Team salt. Me want my family. Me want my black. You know, kind of blood clot family, you know. You know, kind of family, you know. Me I look, you're mad. Them people really go say me I look CC and him go there. Me no fuck off a certain boy. Me no fuck off a certain girl could look good so more from me. Something certain man go there, me no fuck off of them. Me no fuck off a certain boy. So from me was a certain boy there somewhere. Me no go there. Cause when me tell the ladies, it's when no fat and no plumb and look good, as when you start fuck certain man, and soon just start get slim down like a diet on the pan. Be a diet fuck when I get. Be a diet fuck. Be a 1 meal a day. Be a broccoli. And them look sitting there. Be a diet grinding on get. On a slim. Be a treadmill fuck. Be a 15 lap a day. Be a them sitting on the go through. Be a them sitting on the go through. Treadmill grinding. 15 lap a day. Fast slim. Be a lipo. All on the weight gone, and I wonder where gone. When you look how cock up body flat, bummy. When you look how hip straight and board. When you look how breast where they plumb you up the slippers. When you hear when you're so nice and bouncy, flat out, drop off. When you clothes can't fit on again, you mash up. You don't put on clothes, it's saggy, you just a swing. You just a swing, pound. You just a swing. Oh. Then salt.